Your deadlift is not weak. Your hinge is confused. Follow me. I don't want to squat, okay? I don't want to squat. I want to drag. Push the butt back, which lowers the hips. Imagine like you're dragging the earth underneath you, which tightens your lats. And then with a hinge pattern, drag it up, staying horizontally over the bar to the bottom of the knees. Shoot your hips vertically. That's the hinge, okay? Now, our disabled athletes, resistance band, step on it, tie it to a pole, tie it to a chair, tie it to whatever. Create tension, sit upright, lean back. All right? Again, create tension, sit upright, drag the earth underneath you, sit back. All right? If you have more mobility in your spine, lean over a little bit more. Okay? Create tension, sit back, upright, drag the earth, and pull. That's what the athletes are drilling today in Predator. Savages, hinge with intent.